In a bit of a departure from our regular book reviews and a weight loss journey videos, I thought I'd share with you something hot and trending. Sound the alarms! Though started in 2018, the photo app LENSA is now taking social media over by storm because of its recent feature called Magic Avatar. Have you seen your friends getting a major avatar makeover on Instagram or TikTok? Magic Avatar is an artificial intelligence image generation tool that is a new feature on the LENSA AI photo editing mobile app. Earlier this month, LENSA took the #1 spot in the Apple App Store under the photo and video category. I tried it last night and it was so much fun. All right, let's get started. LENSA is free to download from the Apple and Android stores, but there is a catch. The first is that after a week, it will cost you $49.99 per year, which is pretty hefty. You can always just do your deed and then cancel the app. Also, the AI images do cost money to generate. We're talking 50 unique avatars for about $4, 100 unique avatars for about $6, and then 200 unique avatars for about $8. For women, styles include fantasy, fairy princess, pop, anime, and cosmic, among others. So, how does it work? For the middle plan, you provide 10 to 20 different selfies, and then you sit back for 20 minutes while the magic happens. I made 4 packs of 100 myself, and I found about 5 to 10 pics out of each 100 pack that I actually liked. Most of them actually don't even resemble me, but I was honestly blown away by how some of them looked even better than me. Not to say I look good. They're like highly filtered pics of you, but to the 100th degree. Now, let me show you the app. Here are some screens you have to get through to get to the Magic Avatar feature. You can do other things on the app, but the true magic is in the AI-generated avatars, called Magic Avatars. They show you what to expect, and then they show you some good examples of selfies they'll need, and some bad ones. You'll upload your 10 to 20 selfies from your phone. I had mine ready to go in a separate folder. Then you pick your gender and you choose which pack you want. Pay the one-time charge and you're good to go. Then the photos are uploaded and you wait 20 minutes for the magic to happen. Ready to see the results? Here are all 100 pictures taken. Take a look at them and see how they all vary. Some of them are like, while others are like, wow. Like, what? Now, here is my highlights reel. These were my absolute favorites. Some don't even look like me, while others make me want to work on my skincare routine and make me want to hit the gym. Makeup professionals and stylists need it ASAP too. Where can I get these outfits? And should I be wearing color contacts? In any case, do you dig them? Now for a quick disclaimer. LENSA is pretty controversial at this point. Multiple artists have accused them of using their art without permission. The rebuttal? The company says that AI-generated images can't be described as exact replicas of any particular artwork. Of course, we can see how these amazing AI-generated avatars could take away from regular artists' work, but is it just the sign of the times? I guess that's up to us to decide. Also, if you're afraid about privacy concerns regarding facial recognition, the company also states that each user's photos and associated model are permanently erased from its servers as soon as the user's avatars are generated. What's coolest about these new AI-generated avatars is that you never have the same result. Every time the AI generates unique avatars. After sorting through all the pics, you'll probably come across a handful you actually love and want to share. So, try it out!